Today I am outside. It is raining still. Can you believe that? Wow, it is raining. Just it's raining. Wow, it's so raining out here. So now that I'm inside, I can grab this thing. I am going to go somewhere outside for entertainment because it's kind of boring now that I can't go outside. I can't ride my skateboard, that's for sure. I just can't go all the way outside. I have to stay at the carport. And boy, is that not fun. I'm gonna get ready for changing it for riding on my skateboard, and then I am going to pause the video and I'll get back to you guys. Bye. I got my helmet on and it's ready to get through the rain just to get on my skateboard. Okay. Hold on tight. Okay, I'm in the shelter. This is my skateboard right underneath here. I'm going to put y'all over here just so you watch. Okay. That way. Also, I learned how to do a 30-degree turn, but it's pretty sharp. It's not, pretty sharp. Pretty sharp 30-degree turn. Okay, so practice that 30-degree. I just doing it some certain way, and then when I practice, I'll get better, and I'll do it the normal way. It's hard for me to practice on some kind of cement, so it's just hard for me. I would probably be better off. Wow, that was so cool. Wait, let me try this. Let me try. Wow! That was so cool. I was with face planted forward. That really would be fun, especially on Memorial Day weekend. And yeah, so today I was meant to have played it with my friend. She used to have a YouTube channel, but it disappeared for some reason. And I was supposed to have played it with her today, but she ended up sick. So yeah, she's not here today. But I hope she'll get better soon. Anyways, I have my hula hoop right here. I stopped with my skateboard for some reason. I don't know. Before I did this video, I was actually already doing that, so I did a lot. I actually did the 30-degree turn. But that one, I did not start. It was so cool. I went since all of you know that here to here is the right angle, I did around there. So, but it wasn't a straight angle. It wasn't 180 degrees, and it wasn't a full circle either. But for sure that was it. Pretty good. I go sideways. I put one onto the edge where it turns, and then I push it over until the other side it's off the ground. It turns. Lift it off the ground, go back, and as you go back, turn your body. Like this. Separate that piece more. Like this. Take a step forward. Like this. Like this. And then like still have to practice some more. Pretty surprising. I recently haven't been practicing much. I'm going to go like around over there, back inside. Now I'm going to practice a few more things and then I'll be done with this video. So, wait, that. Okay, I think I'm done. Now let me end this video for the day. Bye.